Hey, Mustang Rebuilder here. We're sitting inside the '07 Mustang convertible. She's about done. All she needed was a couple of minor things to be completely done, and I'll put it up for sale come May. It's convertible. I'd like to give it to my son, but when he graduates college, he'll be living most likely in an apartment complex, and convertibles and apartment complexes don't mix. So I'll find him another one. Hopefully find something clean. I'll show you my journey and what we find. And it might even be a new Evolution one, something 99 to '04. Or I'll see if I can find a nice 2005 to 2010 or 11 Mustang hardtop, okay? Coupe. Anyway, what's left on this car is the windows need to be retinted on the driver's sides, kind of tints coming off. I'll just have the other side done too, passenger side. The rearview mirror has some fog in it. I'm going to change it. We're going to go to salvage yard today, and I'll take you with me. We'll see what we find. And it's got an actuator, a modulator, that when you turn the AC, it changes from top vents to the bottom vents. It's making it clicking. There's two of them in there. I'm not sure which one it is. That'll be another video. We'll show you how to quickly and easily diagnose it and what it costs to repair it, okay? I'm not going to pick one up at the salvage because take a chance that it might be bad too, because they have a tendency to go bad. I'll make this pretty quick. Let's see, we got the windows got to be done, the mirrors got to be done, those actuators got to be done. This has got a Shaker 500 radio in it. I really don't like them because when you turn on the car, it goes through a cycle and stuff. I would change it, but I'll let the new owner do that because some people have their own specifications of what kind of stereos they want. If I was going to keep it, I'd probably put some type of Android system in it that had GPS built in it and stuff. Yeah, real cheap, you can find them. And no sense putting anything very high end in a car like this, okay? It's not a Ferrari, Maserati, or whatever. It's just a nice V6 Mustang with some custom body treatments. Runs really well, 93,000 miles on it. And anyway, that's it. I got to do the windows, the actuator, this rearview mirror. We'll take care of that. And good cleanup. Oh, I did notice a couple of rattles in the suspension. I'll put it up on a lift further down, maybe a couple weeks. And we think when I had the alignment done on it, they said that they think the stabilizer bushings may be worn. So that's something pretty easy that we'll show you, and I'll change them and tell you what it costs, okay? I don't want to sell the car to anybody unless it's, solid. Oh, one more thing, and it happens to all of these stupid freaking deals. The plastic that you clip up to make the seat recline forward to get in, that plastic gets through the heat and age, it snaps off, and they make some metal aluminum billet ones that use an Allen and go in, and I'm going to order a couple of those. I'm going to order those probably tonight, show you the quick fix on that. A lot of these cars are really easy to work on, so don't fear it, okay? There's tons of videos out here on how to fix this stuff. So now we're going to go to LKQ, pick apart, see what we got for a mirror, and we'll pick it up and I'll show you. And it's very simple. To get the mirror out, let me turn this camera around. Hold on, stop it. Okay, there's the mirror. You can tell it's got some fogging all the way around the edges. To get it out, you need a thin blade screwdriver, very thin. You're going to come up underneath here. There's a slot. You can pry it a little bit. Oop, look at there, came right off. Actually, it was pre-loosened already. That way I didn't have to fight it. Anyway, let me get this. Let me show you how bad it is out here in the light so you can see. Look, you see that? It looks like dirt or whatever, but it's not. There it is. The mirror moisture must have got underneath the mirror and stuff, delaminating. I don't know if it's happening to any of your cars. This car's an '07. So, it's got its age on it already. But we'll go to salvage yard. I'll see if I can get one. I'll tell you how much I have to pay. We'll pull it off. And, slide the new one on, and we'll cross it off our list, okay? When I'm totally done with this car, I'll break down all the prices of what it costs me to do this car for you, okay? All right. See you in a little bit. Well, we're at the pull apart. And apparently online, the Mustang looked like it had a lot of parts. But in basically 2.5 weeks' time, they went through this thing like a piranha. Online, the motor was all there, everything was there. There was no body damage, but this thing's been scavenged over like a big dog. And I checked inside it. The mirror is gone. Then I found the mirror laying in here a little while ago, and it was just as bad as the one I had. But I did find out something very interesting. Went over here. This is a 2004 Ford Focus. And we went inside here. I took the mirror that was on the Mustang. So here's the mirror that was on the Mustang. It had that same funky thing happen around the edges, whatever. Water getting underneath the mirror or the mirror delaminating. And then I looked up here, found and had that mirror to match it up to, the same exact mirror. It's just dirty. This one is in perfect shape. So, put that in the bag. We're gonna go out, pay for it. When I get to the other side of the parking lot, I'll tell you what I paid for it. It's $2 to get in here, so we got $2 invested so far. All right. Okay, we're back in the car. We just paid for a mirror. It was $4.97, so plus my $2 entry fee, so that makes it $6.97, $7 just say. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna look them up on eBay later and see what they go for, but I didn't want to order anything. I wanted to get it done, move on to that air conditioning modulator, and get the windows tinted maybe next week. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date what's going on. Thanks, guys. Have a blessed day. It is Sunday. It's cold as hell outside. Remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead or you're an asshole.